Hi, I'm Athena and I study economics and politics. So I studied at the University of South Florida, which is in Tampa. Specifically, I chose to study in the US because I wanted to see what it was like, as you see it in all the movies, and it lived up to that. One of the best bits about living in Florida was the opportunities to travel across the US, lots of cheap flights to many different states. I think I went to about 10 states whilst I was there. And also the close proximity to Central and South America, which obviously gave so many more travel opportunities, which was probably my best bit about the year. I think one of my favourite memories of my year abroad was going away for spring break to Puerto Rico with many other students from Mexico that were studying abroad with me and getting to live that spring break fun time. The advice I'd probably give to most people who want to study abroad is think about the opportunities that you can get involved with wherever you go. I would make sure you get involved in campus life as much as possible and take the opportunities to take some time traveling and getting to know people within that culture.